First of all, my name is Akash Gope, and I'm giving presentation of this my project, that is G+6 mall plus G+3 sports arena plus G+3 restaurant and bar. This was my project, um, and guidance by the Akash Pandey sir from Unique Civil. This is content of my page. Content introduction. First is introduction. Second, design concept. Third is AutoCAD layout. Fourth is green building concept. Fifth one is parking facilities. Sixth one is material and varieties. Seventh is HVAC system. Eighth, interior. 9 one is render view, and 10 one is AI render view. First is introduction, and as you can see, this my plan view of this in AutoCAD. About mall. The layout is designed by the help of Pinterest. I taken this from Pinterest and mixed with many designs. Malls today need to reinvent themselves and meet the increasing demand for authentic and memorable experience. For experience, they visit many for weekend time. They visit mall for memorable thing and for enjoying weekends and all. Then that doesn't mean mall are a thing of a past. Shopping malls are a timeless designation that offer guests many or different options in one convenient place. In one place they get everything, like from shopping to enjoyment and playing something like game zone, food, and everything they get in mall. So it's a very good place to for memorable thing and weekend. Second was, this is site plan general data, that total my square feet was 321420 square feet total. Software use like Revit and AutoCAD, and some for rendering I used Inkscape and AI render for Evolve Lab varies. Choosing the best layout. The first part for design concept. Once we decided on a location, the next step is to determine the layout, mall layout, considering including buildings orientations, circulation, or the way shopping moves through the mall, parking, water supply, drainage, landscape. The four main major things are like barrier. Like in mall, every from one place we can visible every shops and all, so we can clearly that what we need, that for customer exactly what he need. So we no need to be barriers. Second is loading base, that many package and all the goods items should be come from trucks and all. So mall needs large amount of roads and entry. So my all the sites layouts are made that everything can accessibility and maintenance. Design concepts. Barrier. Try to avoid an unnecessary large physical or visual barriers throughout the malls that close people off the certain areas or block their views of other stores and attraction. For example, if the guest cannot find a restaurant after walking around for a few minutes, they may become frustrated and with that layout. Second is load base. Your mall will need a large loading base to load and unload product shipments, equipments, and foods on and off truck. You might even need more than one depending on your mall layout. Ensure this area is not close to customer parking so it won't pose an obstacle to guests trying to enter or exit the mall. Second is accessibility. There should be free movement on every level and different between points so people of all abilities can easily access any area they desire without needing assistance. There should always be a elevator, accelerator, ramp, and other elements that help connect separate area for more for people who may have physical limits or use mobility device. Fourth one is maintenance. If you plan to design a mall with complex structure and architecture, make sure you can maintain the cleanness of this area, including the primary space like the food court and playground. Some malls also have elements like ponds and fish tanks. So you need to hire a team for cleaning and maintenance. AutoCAD layout of my mall. This is total G+6 story building with glass over bridge in the center of the mall area. Total square foot of the mall is 41162. There is, yes, you can see this, that one building is mirror of another. AutoCAD layout restaurant or G+3 restaurant with sky lounge. As you can see this sky lounge in every floor of total square feet is 9240 square feet. AutoCAD layout sports arena. G+3 sports arena having swimming pool, gym, basketball, badminton court, snow park and game zone. Total area is 8580 square feet. Green building concept. You should always carefully design the landscape in and outside of the just a mall. To enter of mall in an important attraction point, the greenery that your customers see will contribute to a positive impression and draw more customers in as they drive by. Many businesses include various types of plant in their office buildings for several benefits and benefits of green building. Improves air quality, reduce noise pollution, attracts customer. In my mall, I give many plants and that plants and all, so it's make green building concept clear. Parking facility, 150 plus parking and 75 plus EV charging. With EV charging, I provided open parking and 75 plus EV charging point given in the parking area. Material and varieties. Types of door that I use, these types of circular door, and as you can see this in picture, curtain panels. These types of curtain panels I use in my malls. Cornice, this one is cornice like in corner of the mall. Facade, these types of facades I design in my restaurant. And railings and elevators, doors and railings. Types of doors, as you can see this railings, and this one is railings and this one elevator from both sides. One is down coming and one is up. Facade design, this one is sports arena facade design. As you can see this middle one is restaurant, and this one is also for restaurant. HVAC system, heating, ventilation, and air conditioner. HVAC is used for various technology to control the temperature, humidity, and purity of air in an enclosed space. Its goals to provide thermal comfort and acceptable indoor air quality. HVAC system design is superdiscipline for mechanical engineering based on the principle of thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, and heat transfer. Here you can see this, that load calculation I done through the help of Revit. Totally load calculation with the help, and I also use my location for this. This all the data is according to my location only. Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. I entered the location and all the calculation are given to this. Totally all the areas and calculation result, zone 1, zone 2. Here is schedule for outdoor air schedules. This is HVAC system for sports arena ducting. As you can see this in picture, this pink one is returning, and this is supply duct. Blue one is supply duct. AHU and VAV systems also provided in two end. As you can see this, AHU air handling units and VAV variable air volume. This is total 3D image of HVAC system. Interior, this is the interior view. This one inside the mall part. This is the back of this restaurant and bar. This one front of restaurant and bar. Here you can see this, the flat shape I made through glass and all. This one open launch. This is the wall design I made through Revit. This one sports arena render view. This one also sports arena. Totally green plants are given in whole building of front part and back part. So green for green building concept. This one is inside the mall area. This one is glass bridge. See this, all the levels. I used glass bridge, and these two towers is elevators. Total 4 elevators. This one middle of the mall. Here you can see it out some, and plants is given in the table only. This one totally EV charger and car parking, open car parking and EV charger is provided in this. This one also. There are two in different. One is I shape and one is E shape. Two parkings. Totally both are open parking. Here you can see this, the part of front part of this mall, and this is the total render view of all the 3 buildings from back side. This is totally back side. This one is front side of my mall with green gardens and all. I given street lights, and all the benches are given in this front part. This is all AI generated renders with the help of Evolve Lab, whereas inside of that mall. This one restaurant and bar, AI render. This one is sports arena. Now, thank you for watching. Thank you for giving
एक्सीलेंट
me time.
एक्सीलेंट एक्सीलेंट, बहुत सुंदर, बहुत ही अच्छा। सबको मजा आ गया। तुमको मजा आया कि नहीं आकाश? हम्म।
हाँ सर।
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत मेहनत किया तुमने, बहुत अच्छा किया। ठीक है, इसलिए मुझे तुम दोनों को ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा प्राउड हो रहा है। और तुम दोनों को एक छोटा सा गिफ्ट मैं देना चाहूँगा। ठीक है, तुम्हारे हार्डवर्क के लिए। वैसे गिफ्ट तो चाहे जितना बड़ा दिया जाए अच्छा रहेगा, बट भूपिंदर एंड लाइक आकाश गोपे, बोथ तुम दोनों को मेरी तरफ से एक छोटा सा गिफ्ट है कि आपको 5000 का गिफ्ट ब्राउचर मिलेगा फॉर यूनिक सिविल। फॉर एनी कोर्स दे कैन यू कैन ज्वाइन लाइफ टाइम में, कभी भी कुछ भी ज्वाइन करना है, 5000 तुम्हारा उसमें से आप कुछ माइनस हो जाएगा। सपोज कोई चीज 5000 का है तो आपको फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मिल जाएगा। दिस गिफ्ट इज फॉर भूपेंद्र एंड आकाश गोपे, बिकॉज इन्होंने बड़े ही कॉन्फिडेंस से और बहुत ही पहले इनिशिएटिव लिया। शायद कोई और भी इनसे अच्छा भी करे तो उसको भी मिलेगा, बट दे बोथ आर डिजर्व इवन मोर देन दैट। बट मैं फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट नहीं करूंगा, नहीं तो क्या हो जाएगा, इनको नेक्स्ट बैच में पढ़ने में मजा नहीं आएगा। तो इसलिए इनको 5000 का बहुत दोनों को गिफ्ट ब्राउजर फ्रॉम यूनिक सिविल। बहुत सुंदर, बहुत अच्छा था, मजा आ गया। देखिए ये डेडिकेशन होती है, और आप लोगों ने देखा। और ये फिक्स मान लीजिए कि आकाश एंड भूपिंदर बोथ आर गोइंग टू गेट द वेरी गुड पैकेज इन देयर अपकमिंग मंथ्स। ठीक है, मैं बोल दे रहा हूँ अभी से। ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा है। भूपिंदर आपका भी बहुत अच्छा है, आकाश गोपी का भी बहुत अच्छा है। ठीक है, इसमें अगर आपको 10 आउट ऑफ दिया जाए तो क्या बोलते हैं, 9 के नीचे नहीं देना चाहिए। 9 तो परफेक्ट आप दोनों डिजर्व करते हैं। ठीक है, तो दोनों का ही बहुत अच्छा था। और अभी आप लोग जो बाकी लोग हैं, आप लोग इनसे इंस्पायर हुइए। ये आपकी अपनी फाइल को ग्रुप में भेजेंगे, इनकी फाइल को देख के आप सीखिए, क्योंकि सीखना ही है, हम सब सीखने ही वाले हैं यहाँ पर। तो उसको सीखिए, और मंडे को बाकी लोग प्रेजेंट करेंगे। कोई आपको नया टास्क नहीं दिया जा रहा है। ठीक है, और मैं ग्रुप में शेयर कर दूंगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। मंडे को आपको फिर से सब कनेक्ट होना है। और क्या बोलते हैं, बाकी लोग अपना मंडे को प्रेजेंटेशन देंगे, और उसके बाद वहीं से हम लोग नेविस्वर की जर्नी स्टार्ट कर देंगे।
नेटवर्क कट गया था सर।
ओके आकाश, अच्छा तुम्हारा नेटवर्क कट गया, तो तुमने अपना गिफ्ट नहीं सुना। तुम्हारा गिफ्ट है कि तुमको यूनिक सिविल की तरफ से तुम्हारे इस प्रेजेंटेशन को देख के जो एक हैप्पीनेस आया है, वैसे तो बहुत बड़ा गिफ्ट देना चाहिए, बट एक स्मॉल सा गिफ्ट है। गिफ्ट ये है कि तुमको 5000 का गिफ्ट वाउचर मिल रहा है फॉर यूनिक सिविल। यू कैन गेट एनीथिंग एनीथिंग फ्रॉम यूनिक सिविल एनी टाइम इन होल लाइफ टाइम कर से। और उस समय आप कुछ भी कर ले सकते हो, तो वहाँ पर आपको फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मिलेगा। ठीक है, ये मेरी
ओके
तरफ से
सर,
गिफ्ट
थैंक
है।
यू।
ओके जी, मोस्ट वेलकम। चलिए, मज़ा आया, मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा आया, आप लोग भी इंजॉय किए होंगे। ऐसा ही मज़ा आप लोग मंडे को भी अपने प्रेजेंटेशन में क्रिएट करने की कोशिश करना। यही डेडिकेशन, तो मज़ा आएगा, और उसी समय हम लोग आगे कंटिन्यू करेंगे। सो दिस इज सफिशिएंट फॉर